Did you know rosemary can boost your brain power? This powerful herb does so much more than just smell good. For centuries, people have used rosemary to improve their health. Ancient Greeks believed rosemary improved memory. They even wore rosemary sprigs during exams. In the Middle Ages, people used rosemary to ward off evil spirits and illness. They burned rosemary to purify the air and prevent infections. This fragrant herb was a staple in traditional medicine. Rosemary's popularity continued through the Renaissance. People used it in cooking and perfumes. They also believed rosemary promoted longevity and good health. It's amazing how rosemary has been valued for so long. Rosemary is well known for its ability to enhance memory. Compounds in rosemary can improve cognitive function. These compounds can even help people with memory problems. Studies have shown rosemary can improve memory recall. In one study, people who inhaled rosemary essential oil performed better on memory tests. They also reported feeling more alert. Another study found rosemary extract improved memory in older adults. Participants who took rosemary extract for several weeks showed significant improvement in cognitive tests. That's the power of rosemary. Inflammation is a natural process, but chronic inflammation can lead to health problems. Rosemary contains powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants can help fight inflammation throughout the body. One study found rosemary extract reduced inflammation in people with arthritis. Participants who took rosemary extract experienced less pain and stiffness. They were also able to move more easily. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties can also benefit the brain. Studies suggest rosemary can protect the brain from damage caused by inflammation. This protection is crucial for maintaining cognitive health as we age. Section 4. Rosemary, your immune system's best friend. A strong immune system is essential for good health. Rosemary can give your immune system a helping hand. It contains vitamins and antioxidants that support immune function. Vitamin C, found in rosemary, is a powerful antioxidant. It helps protect cells from damage. Rosemary also contains rosmarinic acid. This compound has antiviral and antibacterial properties. Research suggests rosemary can enhance immune cell activity. This activity helps the body fight off infections. Adding rosemary to your diet is a delicious way to boost your immune system. Section 5. Bringing rosemary home. Tips and tricks. Ready to enjoy the benefits of rosemary? It's easy to add this versatile herb to your daily routine. Start by using rosemary in your cooking. Its woodsy flavor pairs well with chicken, fish, and vegetables. You can also enjoy rosemary as a tea. Simply steep a few sprigs of fresh rosemary in hot water for a soothing and flavorful drink. Rosemary tea can be enjoyed hot or cold. Consider using rosemary essential oil. Add a few drops to a diffuser to enjoy its invigorating aroma. You can also dilute rosemary essential oil with a carrier oil. This mixture can be used for a relaxing massage. Rosemary is a true gift from nature. Embrace its power and enjoy the amazing benefits it offers.